Lorena Savage with the City of San Antonio's Human Resources Department, and this is Job of the Week. Today we're here at the San Antonio Riverwalk, and I've got my friend John with me. Hi, John.
Hello, how you doing?
I'm great. How are you?
Good.
He's here to talk to us about a job. What job are we talking about today, John?
Maintenance crew leader 2.
Oh, okay, a maintenance crew leader 2. I imagine, since you are with the Center City and Development and Operations Department, that this person will be working on the Riverwalk?
Yes, they'll be working with me side by side.
Oh, okay, wow. Well, tell us a little bit more.
The crew leader that we're going to hire works with the team. So
Okay.
he's got day-to-day chores. We're going to be, his days working on, in the mornings, giving all the guys their equipment, the team their equipment, and also checking out the elevators and stuff like that. And reporting to me and getting the results of what we have for the day.
Oh, okay, so on a day-to-day basis, the person in this position would come in and kind of, you said check elevators, get assignments, and they would make sure that their crew had everything that they needed to fulfill their assignments?
Yes.
Oh, okay. And I'm sorry, and how many people would be on this team?
We have 6 people.
Oh, okay, so this individual would be supervising a team of 6 people.
Yes.
Oh, okay, so I would imagine that you need a team player and a strong leader in this role.
Yes, very strong leader. He needs to be a person that wants to strive to do something throughout the day and make sure that everything get done at a proper time and stuff.
Oh, great. So it sounds like you definitely need a go-getter, and of course someone who takes pride in their work so that they're really completing their work well, because after all, it is work that's being done on behalf of the city.
Yes.
And of course, to be a supervisor, you want to set the example, so you have to do good work.
Yes.
Okay. So can you tell us a little bit about the team, the atmosphere of the team? Is it a good team?
Well, we do a lot of pressure washing on the
okay.
Riverwalk. We make sure everything's clean for the pedestrians and stuff. But from 7 to 3:30, it's a good day.
Oh yes, this is one of those jobs, viewers. It is a special schedule, so it's 7 to 3:30, and I believe some weekends.
Some weekends, holidays, and we have special events here, like Fiesta, New Year's Eve, and lighting of the Christmas lights.
Oh, great. Okay. So viewers, if you're looking for a schedule that is 7 to 3:30, this definitely might be the opportunity for you. Is there anything else you want to share with our viewers about this position?
Just apply, and hopefully we can see you.
Well, thank you so much, John, for having us.
Oh, thank you.
In addition to everything that John said, the ideal candidate for our Maintenance Crew Leader 2 position should have at least a GED or high school diploma and 4 years of maintenance experience, to include 1 year of experience as a foreman or a crew leader. So if you're interested in this position and you want to join our Center City Development and Operations team, then I do encourage you to go onto our website at www.sanantonio.gov/careers to apply. Also, if you like this video, then I encourage you to click that thumbs up button, comment down below, and subscribe. See you next week.